The first question that has come on the WhatsApp, which has been selected by my group. First question is from Brother Yusuf Shuhaib, Ghana. What are the basic guidelines in Islam for choosing a spouse? A similar question is asked by Najiba, Afghanistan. I am a 16-year-old girl. How can we love someone in an Islamic way before marriage? And regarding the second question posed by the sister, that can we have an Islamic love before marriage? Regarding the love before marriage that we have nowadays in the modern society, in the Western society, but natural, it is haram. There is no LBW. LBW in the cricket, you have leg before wicket. LBW is love before wedding. So the way we have in the Western culture, where there are girlfriend, boyfriends, and they want to test each other, they go out to a park and they go out for a movie, they sit in the last bench of the theater, or they want to enjoy, they go for dinner, and they talk, and they may go to a hotel and sleep overnight. All these things is haram in Islam. Yes, you can, while selecting a life partner, have interview along with a mahram. If a boy is going to look at a girl, then maybe the boy's sister is there, or the girl's father is there, along with the mahram. But natural, you can ask questions, you can interview for a few minutes, for half an hour, for 1 hour. There's no limit. You can have 1 meeting, 2 meetings, no problem to understand, because you want to spend the full life with the girl and the girl with the boy. But going out alone and being in seclusion, you know, the shaitan is there. The Prophet said that if there are 2 mahram alone, the third person is the devil. So in the Islamic way, yes, you can interview, but the love before marriage, what we have in the normal sense in the Western world, it is prohibited. Islamic way, yes, you can have. For example, you may know, the girl may know of a boy who's Islamic, who's very religious, who has high taqwa, who prays 5 times salah in the mosque, and is a da'i, and the girl may want to have a good life partner. So Islamically what she does is that she proposes to the boy who she thinks is religious, through her father, or through a brother, or the parents of the girl go and meet the parents of the boy, and in the Islamic way it's possible. So this sort of love, because you like the religious values and the deen in the boy, it is permissible. Islamically, if you go ahead following the rules and regulation, not breaking the Sharia, it is possible in this way, if you want to call it love before marriage, because you like the religious aspects in the boy, or the boy likes the religious aspects in the girl. In this way, not breaking any rules of the Islamic Sharia, then you can call it a sort of love before marriage Islamically, but seeing to it that you don't break any of the rules of the Sharia.